I'm Shashank. I've been working with Moolya for good 5 years, and my very first project was a company in US. That amazed me. I just had a conversation with one of my fellow tester, and it amazes me how we have different clients, and then I'm working currently with e-commerce firm. It's a great exposure and great experience being in Moolya for good time. The funny part of the story is I think I'm lucky enough to get into Moolya. A lot of people don't get through. I know because they complain, they later say they write blogs or they write on the LinkedIn of Moolya they write it's little difficult. I have referred a lot of my friends, like hardly any one of them got through. So I find lucky to be here learning, earning and then moving forward up the ladder and with a lot of great experience. Told you, right, we face similar sort of situations, and the one thing which I should say I've been working with this e-commerce site is over a good period of time. The understanding of system is something which is which should be the basic, I personally believe should be the basic requirement of a tester is, and that is what my focus always is. And I want to share the same thing with my presentation over here, that the day you understand the systems, life is very easy for all of the people, be it the stakeholders, be it your team, engineering team, testing team and other people, right? And then one thing is important which I have learned over a period of time as I grow, that you just always don't have to crawl to learn. Sometimes you can learn from people's experience, from people directly. And I don't know, like I feel pretty awesome being here and learning these things rather than making mistakes. Making mistakes is still fine, but then if you can learn before making them is a great way. It's a one thing. It's a great way of telling the company, the organization that we have been doing really great work. Though we all know that the way Moolya appreciates the people in the house, and the way we get feedbacks over a period of time is great, and this actually motivates us to do better. That backing, what I told in my sentence earlier, is something which personally for me a lot of people say that you should not say no, but then that's not something I've learned. My very own mentor Vipin, being I credit him for a lot of times. My mentor in e-commerce platform, Manju taught me a lot of things. Else I would have not survived, I know. But over a period of time, gradually I learn from them, and it's a great thing to have.